common use cases that Chime clients are using today?
Happy to. In fact, here's the cool thing. So this integration with Chime's been around since a couple of weeks now. We already knew for a while that we had folks in our common user base that were really interested to have this integration, right? So that's one of the main reasons why we built it.
Mm-hmm.
And on the basis of that, we're already seeing several users setting up their things between Chime and the other apps that they're using. So this is my PieSync environment, and just a quick way to fire up PieSync. You would go to settings, you would go to integrations, and we are right here underneath Zapier is an independent integration, so you can open up PieSync through here. If you don't yet have an account, it's just going to guide you into creating that account. It's relatively easy. Now, I've already gone in and done that, and I've already started prepping some sync connections. Now, by no means do we expect users to be setting up integrations to all of these apps. Would be good if you did, but that's I'm kind of presenting like the wide variety of possibilities. These are, Randy, you mentioned 241 apps. You've been keeping count better than I have. So these are just a selection that I've made, and I want to go a couple of examples. So I'm seeing iCloud here. I've actually had a sync running actively with Google Contacts, and I want to start off with that one because it's probably one of the most common apps that we have. We don't even think about it as an app. Google Contacts, it sits attached to a Gmail account. If you don't have Gmail, but you are working in Outlook, you have Outlook people. If you still have something else, well, you may have iCloud Contacts. It's this native address book that you can access on the web, but more importantly, it's what makes up the telephone book on your phone. And this, a lot of folks that are perhaps not yet using a CRM that actively, they start off by really catering for their Google Contacts. So they would have an address book in Google Contacts, really like built out, giving people labels, adding all kinds of data here.